Sorting, when used alongside filters, helps users contextualize product lists, organizing them in meaningful ways. However, during testing, sites with limited sorting options made it harder for some users to find the products they wanted most. Let's explore how to fix this issue. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 511 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Always allow users to sort product lists and search results by price, user rating, best-selling, and newest. Sorting offers users a soft boundary by ranking products based on a specific attribute. However, during testing, when relevant sort options were missing, users had to rely on filters to approximate their desired list or manually scan for suitable products. Without a bestsellers option or similar sorting based on others' preferences, this user had to scroll through the default list, making it harder to identify suitable items. While the default sort should show a variety of items at the top, testing found that users often look for 4 specific sorting options: price, both low to high and high to low, user rating, best-selling, and newest. Price was the most frequently used sort option during testing, with most users sorting from least to most expensive. However, some also sorted from most to least expensive to prioritize items they saw as more exclusive. Price is the only sort option that should always allow sorting in both directions. Users sorting product lists rarely look for items with low star ratings, so user rating should be a one-way sort, showing the highest rated products first. Many users chose the best-selling sort when they were unfamiliar with a product category, relying on the collective wisdom of past buyers to find quality options. Those skeptical of user rating often viewed best-selling as a more reliable alternative. Finally, while newest was the least used sort type in testing, it's valuable for users looking for the latest additions or releases. It's especially helpful for returning users who want to see only new products and for those seeking trendy or seasonal items. During testing, 3 implementation details were observed that should be considered when deciding on how product lists and search results can be sorted. Some product types may require additional category-specific sorting options to meet user needs. For example, at Walgreens, users can sort by unit price low to high, which provides a better measure of value for grocery, health, and personal care products than standard price sorting. During testing, no user wanted to sort alphabetically. Even if someone did, they'd need to be familiar with the product catalog and its naming conventions, which often vary between sites and even within the same catalog. Many users see sorting options as the site's recommendations for organizing the list and expect real value from using them. For example, sorting by top rated on a list with no rated products won't change the order, which can mislead users into thinking the sort isn't working or doesn't match their expectations. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your product sorting, including over 80 product list guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.